Lambda functions in Python. Lambda functions are anonymous functions used to pass an argument to other functions. They are concise and efficient, eliminating the need to define a separate function with a name. Lambda functions can take single or multiple arguments and are often used with built-in functions like map, filter, and reduce. A lambda function called square takes a single argument x and returns the square of x. Isn't it awesome? Square equals to lambda x colon x square x into power 2, so which will print square 5, which is 25. A lambda function called add takes two arguments x and y and returns their sum. Add equals to lambda x comma y colon x plus y, which will return add 3 comma 4, that means 7. It can be called with arguments of 3 and 4, and we can change arguments as needed. Lambda functions are a powerful tool in Python for writing concise and efficient code. They can be used wherever a function is expected and are often used with built-in functions like map and filter. Number has a list, square, list, map, lambda, x to number. So it will square all the numbers in the list. Similarly, filter where it's divided by 2. In this example, we use a lambda function to compute the numbers of list using map and filter out even numbers from same list using filter. Thank you. Isn't it awesome?